a binomial. Now we'll be and trinomial with a monomial, okay? And now we'll be multiplying binomial with a binomial. That is an expression having two terms, so we multiply with an expression having two terms, okay? So for example, you're having x plus 2. It is being multiplied with x plus 4. This is clear? So here we'll be discussing two methods, okay? How to solve? So we can distribute this whole over here. So see here, we can open this bracket. So it can be written as x into x plus 4. Then plus sign 2 into x plus 4. Have you understood this? Either you open this one or this one. So I use this one. X into whole x plus 4 plus 2 into this 4. Okay, this is clear. This is clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now open this one. X square plus 4x plus 2x plus 8. Okay. Add the like terms. X square plus 6x plus 8. This is clear. This is the first method. There's one more method.
Yes, sir.
Okay. X plus 2 into x plus 4. Okay. So see here, first we are multiplying with 4, both terms. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into x, 4x. Understood? Okay. Next here, x into 2, it is 2x. So below the x term you write 2x. X into x, it is different, x square. Now add them 8. These are like terms. We have written like terms below each other. Plus 6x plus x square. Have you understood both methods? Okay. Mainly we'll be using this method. Okay. Now onwards we'll be using this method. Okay. Have you understood this one? What you are doing, see here. You are multiplying this x with this one and this one. We got this. Then you are multiplying 2 with this one and this. Understood? So x into x, x square, x into 4, 4x. Now 2 into x, 2x. 2 into 4, 8. Have you understood this one? Okay. Now solve the first one.
Yes, sir.
Fourth first. Solve the fourth first. Everyone solve the fourth first.
Sir, fourth first is this one only.
This one only, yes. Solve it. Solve in your notebook. Solve fourth first. Okay. Okay. If you solve first, start doing the second one. Start doing the second one. Okay. So again do the same thing. A into A minus 2B plus 2B A minus 2B. Okay. A into this whole plus 2B into this whole. Okay. Open the bracket and solve. Everyone keep doing in your notebook. So it will be how much? A into A square. A into minus 2B,
2AB.
minus 2AB. See here if you are writing plus 2AB, you can write it as
Plus
2AB as well.
2AB.
Okay, so that we can add them or subtract them. So 2BA is same as 1 minute. 2BA is same as 2AB. Okay, remember that one. 2BA is same as 2AB. Okay, minus 2 into 2, it will be how much?
4B
4
square. B square.
4B square. Understood this one? Okay. Now see here, minus 2AB plus 2AB, 0.
Cutting.
So what is remaining? A square minus
B.
4b square. A square minus 4b square. This is clear? Okay,
Yes,
do
sir.
the third one. Do the third one, everyone. Everyone keep doing the work. Do the third one. If you don't understand, ask immediately. Do the third one. Do the third one. 2x plus 3y multiplied with 5x minus 6y. 5x minus 6y. Okay. Again, one of the bracket will open. 2x multiply this 4 plus 3y multiply this 4. Okay. 2x. It will be
5x minus 6y
plus
plus
3y.
3 into 5x minus 6y.
Okay, I will solve them. I will solve it. I will solve it.
So 10x square minus
So
12xy.
x square minus 2 sigma 12
12xy
x. Okay. Okay, similarly here 3, 15,
plus
15
50xy
by x, you can write xy minus
minus
18
18y square.
y square. 18 y square. Okay. I will solve this one. These are two sigma
Sir, your
terms
voice
here.
is not coming clearly.
10 square plus
Sir, your voice is not
15
clear.
minus 18y square.
Okay. Everyone go the same answer. Check once.
Sir, your voice is not clear. Sir, your voice is not clear.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Yes, anyone want to ask something? Ask now.
No, sir.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Your voice is not very clear. Okay. Harshit, is that clear?
No, sir.
It is not clear.
Okay. Okay. So the next one, 6x minus 1y multiplied with minus 3x plus 5y. Is everyone able to solve? Keep solving the questions. Okay. So the next one,
Sir, now also not clear.
Sir, voice is not clear, sir. It is cutting.
okay, just 1 minute. Okay. Okay, is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I have to reconnect the Bluetooth. Okay, sometimes it happens. Yes, your voice as well is very clear now. Okay, whenever it happens, do let me know immediately. Okay, so do the fourth one, 6x minus 7y. 6x minus 7y. We'll be a bit slow with these two exercises, 2b and 2c. Okay, they're important exercises. Into minus 3x plus 5y. Okay, everyone solve them. Everyone solve them. Okay, everyone be quiet and solve. Everyone solve it. Okay.
6x into minus 3x
Plus 5y.
5y.
Everyone keep solving in your notebook. Okay. Solve, keep solve, find the answer, and then check with mine. Okay. Whether my answer is wrong or yours is wrong, we have to correct that. Okay. So keep solving them. Solve it. Okay. So it will be how much? 6 is 18 and minus
Minus
x
18x square
square
plus
plus
30xy
y
X
plus
plus
21
20
minus
21x
minus 35y square.
y. Okay. 51 xy minus 18 x square plus 51 xy.
21xy minus
Okay.
35y square.
Okay. Everyone check your answers. Is it the same? Everyone got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Do the
Yes,
fifth one.
sir.
Fifth one is important as well. Little bit tricky as well. Do the fifth one. Everyone do the fifth one. Start doing fifth one. Everyone start doing fifth one in your notebook. 4x square minus 5 y square. 2xy plus 3. Okay. Everyone solve it in your notebook. Okay. So 4x square multiplied with
2xy plus 3
plus minus 5y square 2x
into 2xy plus 3.
3. Okay. So constant we multiply first 4 to ja 8, then x cube y. Okay.
X cube y plus
12 x square
12x square
minus 5 to ja 10
minus
x y
10y cube
minus
xy
50
cube
y square. This will be getting.
15y square.
Okay. This will get. Everyone check the answers. Everyone check your answers.
Yes.
Okay. So, okay, solve them. We'll wait for 30 seconds, then we'll start another. Okay. If you understood, if you completed, start fifth question. In this, we'll be multiplying trinomial, that is 3 terms. An expression containing 3 terms by an expression containing 2 terms, binomial. Okay, start doing that one.
So
Okay,
next
this
we
will
have to
do it.
multiply binomial with monomial.
No, it's monomial. Fifth one, see here, fifth question, first one. It is trinomial. 3 terms are
Trinomial minus.
It is trinomial. See here, a square plus a plus 1 is given. Plus 1 and a minus 1 is given. Okay. So this is how many terms? 1 term, 2 terms, 3 terms. It is trinomial. It is 1, 2 terms binomial. Okay?
Binomial.
You have to multiply them. Okay. So this one I'm going by 2 ways. Okay. So either you can a square plus a plus 1 into a minus 1. You can do it like this, or a minus 1 into a square plus a plus 1. Both are same. It doesn't matter whether you write one earlier or after the, okay? Either you can solve it like this or this one, okay? Mainly I follow this method, okay? This is more
Yes, sir.
better, right? Okay, we can see both, okay? See here, okay? Here, if we a square, a minus 1, okay? Plus a minus 1, plus 1, a minus 1, okay? Now, a cube,
Sir, a cube minus
a square, plus a square minus a, plus a minus
square
1. See, they all
minus
get
a.
cancelled. You will get a cube minus 1, okay? And see here as well, a into a square plus a plus 1 minus a square plus a plus 1. This will be getting 1 is there, 1 into, it's fine. A cube plus a square plus a minus a square minus a minus 1. So a square minus a square, a minus a cube minus 1. So it's up to you. Either you can use this method or you can use it like this, okay? It will get done. So this is clear? You can use this method
Yes,
or
sir.
this method. It's up to you. Any way you can do, okay? That's up to you. Okay? Everyone have understood it? It's multiplication either this way or you can do it like this as well. Okay? Okay, do the second one now. Everyone do the second one. Everyone do the second one. It is x square minus x plus 1. X square minus x plus 1. It is multiplied with x plus 1. It is multiplied with x plus 1. Okay, so it depends on you. Either you can solve it here or you can again rewrite it and you can solve it like this. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, so let's solve it like this only. Okay, so it will be how much? X square into x plus 1 minus x plus 1 plus 1, that is x plus 1. 1 into x plus 1 is x plus 1 only. So if you write 1, it's fine. If you don't write, it's well good. Okay, everyone solve it. Anyone who is not able to solve or any doubt you have, do ask, okay, or it will be trouble. We are going then multiplication to division as well. So it will be trouble there. So if you have got the doubt, ask now and get it clear so that it will be very comfortable for us to proceed later. Okay. Okay, solve it. Yes.
Sir, can you tell me how to solve this question in second way?
Okay, second way. Okay, see, both are similar, only no change. Okay, you can write this first like this: a into b same as b into a. It doesn't matter whether you do a into b or b into a. This we are doing here. If this is a, this is b. Okay. Now here x into this whole x square minus x plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. Understood? One we write
Yes,
or not,
sir.
it doesn't matter. Now open this bracket: x cube minus x square plus x square minus x plus 1. Now you can solve. These get cancelled. X cube plus 1 you get. Here as well the same answer. Okay. If you understand first, you will understand to do the second as well. If you know how to do second, you can do the first as well. Have you understood this one? We are opening this one. Here as well, you will get x cube plus x square minus x square minus x plus 1. They get cancelled. So x cube plus 1 you will get. Any more doubt you have, you can ask. Okay. Till your doubt is not till your doubt is not cleared, keep asking. Okay. Don't simply say yes. Okay. Till your doubt doesn't get cleared, do keep asking. This is very important. Doubts are most important thing. And more important is that to clear them. Okay. So till your doubts are not cleared, keep asking. Okay. Okay. Second is clear. Okay. Then do the third one. Everyone start doing the third one. Everyone start doing the third one. Everyone start doing the third one. It is x square plus 3x plus 5. X square plus 3x plus 5. It is multiplied with 2x minus 6. Okay. Either this way or you can multiply 2x minus 6 into this one. Okay. Keep solving, everyone. Anyone who is not able to solve, do let me know. Don't feel shy or anything. What others will think doesn't matter. You have to care for yourself. Whether you are clear or not, that's only we must be concerned with. What others will say, what others will think, that should not matter. Okay? Always remember that. What should matter is our doubt must be cleared. Yes or no? So never think what others will
Yes.
say. Whatever doubt you have, simply ask that. Okay? So now multiply them. Or else who will suffer if you don't ask the doubt? You are going to suffer.
Yes, sir.
So it's better to get it cleared and be free from the doubt, and then be happy and play a lot. So never care for others what others will say. What we should care is that our doubt must be cleared. Okay? Or else you will suffer. Okay, so now solve it.
Sir, 2x cube minus 6x
6x
square
plus 6x
Plus
square
6x
minus
square minus 18x
plus 10x
plus
minus
10x minus 30.
Okay, now similar terms, whether we have to add or subtract, check that and do. See here, 6x squared minus 6x, it get cancelled. We have 2x cube minus 18x plus 10x minus
Sir, minus
8x minus 30.
minus 30.
Everyone have got it cleared? Okay, now do the next one. Okay, do one thing, 4th, 5th and 6th, do as homework, okay? 4th, 5th and 6th, do as homework and start with 7th, okay? Let's start with 7th, okay? 4th, 5th, 6th, do as homework and figure it out whether you are doing it correctly or not, okay? 4th, 5th, 6th, do as homework. Do the 7th one. Now this time how many terms are there?
Sir,
4 terms are there, okay? So it is x, okay. X is to power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Oh, 5 I've written. 1 is missing. X is not there. Plus 1. And it is multiplied with x minus 1. Okay? Either you can do the first method or the second method. The second method
Second.
is less. Second is more easy, yes. Okay? So this time I am doing using second. First one, if you use, then it will be like this. X is to power 4, x minus 1 plus x cube, x minus 1 plus x square, x minus 1 plus x minus 1. That will be using that way. Okay? If we rewrite this expression, x minus 1 into x is to power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus 1. Okay? Now, x into x is to power 4, x cube,
X
x
cube
square
plus x
plus
square
1
1.
minus
1
1 you can put or you don't put, it doesn't matter. X is to power 4
or
cube.
4 plus x cube plus x square plus 1.
So this minus sign is multiplied. This minus 1 is going to be multiplied with them all. Okay. Now solve x is to power 5
Sir, x
plus
plus x raised to power 4.
x is to power 4, x is to power 3 plus x minus x raised to power 4 minus x cube minus x square minus 1. See here,
This one.
many terms are going to get cancelled. Okay? Many terms are going to get cancelled. Everyone solve them. Do the next one. 7th, solve it, everyone. Do the next one. So it will be x raised to power 5 plus x raised to power 4, 0, 0. X is there, x square is there. They are remaining. So either you can write minus x square plus x minus 1. Okay. We have written in descending orders of powers of x. Okay, you can write them in any order, it doesn't matter. You can write x first, then minus x square next. It doesn't matter. Okay. Do the 8th one, everyone. Everyone do the 8th
Will
one.
be
Yes, do it, 8th one. Everyone do it.
sir x
Everyone-
cube minus 1 sir.
Okay.
At last it will come sir x cube minus 1 sir if we will solve it.
No, it won't. See, solve it first. Solve it first. And check it. First solve it. X cube minus 1 won't be the answer. Since x
Sir,
square term.
it's the right answer.
Okay, we'll see that one. Okay. Okay. Is the second term missing? X term in the second term is missing. So yes, see here, let's x cube. So I'm writing the question like this: x square minus 1 multiplied with x 3, 2, 1. Okay, x cube, x square, x plus 1. This is the question. These are the expressions we have to multiply. Okay. X square, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 minus 1 x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. X is to power 5, x is to power 4, x cube plus x square minus x cube, x square, x. This will be getting,
Yes, sir.
okay. Now see here which all are cancelled, getting cancelled, and solve it. Okay. So x is to power 5 plus x is to power 4 minus
X minus 1.
1. Okay. Everyone have got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, do the 6th one. Here we are going to multiply trinomial by trinomial. Okay. Do the 6th first. Everyone do 6th first. And 7th is very important as well. It's fun as well to do the 7th question. You will see. So in 7th question, we'll discuss one equation that is most loved equation for first two. We'll use that one. Okay. Okay. 6th first. Do the 6th first. It is 1 minus x plus y. 1 minus x plus y multiplied with 1 plus x plus y. These are the two expressions, 1 minus x plus y, 1 plus x plus y. And we have to multiply them, okay? So you can take any one. One, we are taking this one. So it would be 1 into 1 plus x plus y. Same you can write. Then minus x into 1 plus x plus y. Then plus y into 1 plus x plus y. Open the bracket and solve it. So 1 plus x plus y. Okay, keep solving. Multiply minus x with each of the term in the bracket. Minus x square minus xy. and don't skip the steps. Okay, plus y plus xy. Okay, it is yx. We can write xy plus y square. Now see which all terms are same, and we can cancel them. Okay, this is minus x. Okay, nowhere. Minus xy plus xy. Minus xy plus xy. Okay, any more? Plus x minus x. Okay, here plus y, so they will add. Okay, so what you'll be getting? 1 plus. Now y, any more y? Y plus 2y. Minus plus x minus x 0. Minus x square minus x square. Minus xy plus xy 0. Y we have already taken there, and plus y square. Are you getting this answer? Everyone have got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have to take care here, okay? Which all terms are getting cancelled, or some term we may add twice, it may happen. So, or we should not skip any term, okay? Do the next one. LM and R given. Do the next one, everyone. Two L, 3M, 4M. 2L, 3M plus 4. 5, 6, 4. 5L. Okay, this is the question. These are the two expressions. Multiply them. Multiply them. 2L, 5L minus 6M minus 4N plus 3M, 5L minus 6M minus 4N plus 4N, 5L minus 6M minus 4N. Okay. So it will be how much? 10 L square minus 12 LM. Okay. Minus 4 LN. Okay. LMN. I'm writing in that order only. Okay.
Minus 8 ln.
Minus 8 LN. Yes. Okay. Minus 8 LN. Okay. Plus 15 ml. Okay. Minus 18 m square. Okay. Minus 12 mn. Okay. Plus, so first I'll be writing L, then M. L, M, N. This order I'll follow. Okay. So I'll write it as 20 LN. Okay. Minus 24 MN minus 16 N square. Okay. This is there. Okay. So same terms. Okay. LM I'm writing. LM. Okay. Here as well LM we will write. Okay. LM. Okay. This will be more easy. LM, and in this order we write. Okay. Now find the similar terms. L square. Any L square is there? No L square. LM. LM.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We got LM. Okay. Now
Sir,
LN.
also.
So LN I'm using this one. LN ln.
Sir,
Now
Mn also.
Mn I'm using like this. Okay. Okay. You got it? Okay. So we start from there. 10 L square. Okay. Now minus 12 Lm plus 15 Lm. How much it will be? Plus
3 Lm.
3 Lm. So Lm term we have already written. Okay. So you can do it like this on below. Okay. This we are moving now. This is already taken. Minus 8 ln, 20 ln. How much? Plus
Plus 12.
12 ln.
Plus
So this
12.
one was, this as well we have used. Okay. Now next one, this already used. Minus 18 m square. Minus 18 m square. Minus 12 mn. Minus 24 mn. Minus 30.
Minus 36.
36 mn. This we already used. Okay. Keep moving. Already used. Already used. Minus 16 n square. Understood? This way you won't make a mistake. If you mark a little bit, that these we have already taken. Okay. This is the answer. This is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you do the remaining two or three as well? Try them. We'll discuss them in class
Yes, sir.
tomorrow. Okay. If you don't get it, we'll discuss them in class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Up to sixth you solve. Okay. Complete the exercise up to sixth question only. Okay. Seventh question we'll discuss in class. Okay. Okay then. We end the class here. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.